Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Woodstock Long Distance Movers Near Me. We can help with a move to a nearby state or even with a move across the country. Whether you need a long distance mover for a 200-mile move or for a 1,500-mile move, we're here to help. We also offer several complimentary services such as packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. The cost of hiring a Georgia moving company doesn't need to be hard to rationalize. Realizing the main benefits you will gain makes it easy to justify the cost. You'll save plenty of time as we will take care of everything for you. Hiring local movers also means you don't need to worry about any of the heavy lifting. When you choose a professional moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined moving process. Our team knows just how to unpack, pack, load, transport, unload, and unpack your things efficiently. If you do it yourself, it could take you several days or an entire week. Our team will get it done for you in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Woodstock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.